Cool. What you just typed out is a variable declaration and assignment. In Java, you can think of a variable as a container that you can name and then store data in. Variables are common to almost every programming language because it makes it really easy to hold on to data that you want to reuse later. If you want to display a piece of data in multiple places, variables make it easy because you only have to set that data in one place. It also makes it really easy to change the data because then you only have to change it in that one place. Then that change is reflected throughout the rest of your code. The first word in this line of code, string, is the data type of the variable, and it tells us what kind of data will be stored in this variable. We'll look at a lot of different data types like numbers, yes or no values, dates, and in each case there is a special keyword like string that tells the computer what kind of data to expect. The second word is the name of the variable. We can name variables whatever we want according to a few basic rules. Use letters and numbers, don't start with a number, and don't use any special characters besides underscores. Okay, so far we have a variable named myName that we set to hold string data. So let's put a string in it. In Java, as in many programming languages, strings are represented as text surrounded by double quotes. In this case, the text is my name, and I make it a string by adding the quotes around it. We then use the equal sign to put this string into the variable, or in other words, set myName equal to Ben. Now, the last thing you'll notice in this line is the semicolon. Semicolons in Java are kind of like periods for sentences. We use them to mark when we're done saying something. Each statement or command in Java must always end with a semicolon. That tells the computer that we're done with this step and ready to move on to the next one. I think you're ready for another exercise. Fix this line to set the favorite color variable to your favorite color. Now, you might have to move some things around and add or change some text. The correct code will be very similar to the line we just broke down a few moments ago.